from mother's womb. A child born with the blood outside, whose rage spelled Daemon's doom. Despair at Hestra came, Southborn hack of white stone tower, with bands of iron spears and shields. She turned the king hearts black and sour. He roared and howled as seasons passed, slain the empire's daughter and son. But rich folk fell by arrow and spear, till clan friends he had none. At last he traded his eagle's heart to the ravens who call without power. In his breast they planted the briar seed that grows from the corpse's flower. Thousands fell to his flaming sword as the blossom rose and set. Despite the bite of